share across to you. Here you go. Today's topic would be the secret of success. As you could see the picture, a girl like us are starting her own career to get started to work, and she keeps on working and she doesn't stop, and absolutely she is succeeding in her life. So that's about it, dears girls. And about I have another I just wanted to tell you these things. This is a book called You Can Win, and the author is Mr. Shiv Kher. He is a great motivator from my end, I could say. I mean, like the book has that great stuffs in it. So if in case you want that, I can go ahead and share as a PDF to the concerned person. From there, you can get it, or across. If in case you need it across, I can do. I mean, in the end of my presentation, I have my email ID. Just mail me across. I'll send it across to you. Right? Can I get an S from your side?
Girls, kindly interact. I request all to interact with
Can I
ma'am.
get an S? Can I get an
Yes,
S from
ma'am.
this?
Yes.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
good.
Yes.
Yes,
That's good.
ma'am.
That's
Yes,
good.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. I just wanted to shop here. I just wanted to interact with you girls. Can I have you? Just a moment. All right. Can everybody come online through video?
Girls, turn on your videos, please.
Good.
Yes, that's it.
That's good. That's good. All right. I guess everybody are freshers in this batch, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
each and everyone are having some own fear or some a mindset that we will have a setback or whatever it is. So, but girls don't think so. All right, I can give you a great module now to have a great session right away. All right. So can we move across?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's
Yes,
good.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's good. All right. I'm again going to present my screen. All right. Here you go. These are the principles that I follow. Like whatever it is, I set my goals, and I believe myself, and I'm coming out from my own comfort zone, and I have my reference points, and I have built my own networks. So these are the five principles that I'm taking it further, and I'm still going it with this across. So I just wanted to brief across all these 5 points. So I'm just taking forward. All right. Here you go for the goal setting process. Like say, if you have a paper and pen, or if you have like if you have gone through via mobile, you can take a screenshot of this particular slide, wherein which each and every goal is to be smart enough to continue a goal setting process. Say S goes for specific, and M for measurable, and A as it should be achievable, and obviously it should be a realistic goal, and obviously it should be a time limit on that particular note. Say for example, if a graduate is coming out after completing a great 3 years or 4 years of study, after a great college atmosphere, then obviously his goal has to take up a great job. So that's what your his goal or her goal would be. So how he is going to take it further, so that's about it. So he has to have a specific goal. Say for example, if he is a computer science graduate, or if in case he or she is a business administration student or whatever. So he or she has to have a specific goal to gain across to where he has to get placed, and obviously it should be a measurable part. Say if in case it can be a particular time bound, yes, it can be. So that's about it. So, and again, as I already told you, like, we need to believe ourselves, and I have a small video clip across. I'll just play across, then we'll go through it. Just a second, let me play it across. Are you guys with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, how many have you taken the screenshot of the previous slide? Can I guess, Ines?
Myself,
That's
Jyotsna.
good. That's good.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
could you just tell
Yes,
me, like,
ma'am.
can I have a small introduction? I mean, like, can I have a small interaction of what are you having in your mind? I'll just go in a random screen. Can I get Ines from Mahasweta? How about your goal setting? Can you come online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Could you just tell me what is your goal that you have in your life?
I want to become lecturer, ma'am, and I'm interested in computer.
That's good. That's good. That's awesome to know about it. And best of luck for you.
Thank
And
you,
how
ma'am.
about Joshna?
Ma'am, I'm interested in doing IT job, so I chosen BCA.
Oh, that's great. That's great. What kind of, I mean, like, any particular domain are you into? Like, are you very interested in particular domain, or like any kind of a domain?
Any
What are you?
kind, not in particular domain. Any kind.
All right. I just give you a suggestion. Say BCA as every part of our computer applications. Say, for example, each and every part has both software and hardware also, right? If you're very keen on going in software session, make sure that you choose a particular domain. Say, for example, Java or PHP or Python or whatsoever. If in case you're going for a particular language, go dig in deep across, then you will get a wide range across to it, and then you can take it further. It's just my kind of an advice. Make sure that you what kind of a language, if you're interested, and probably take it further, and then you have a lot of courses available apart from your curriculum. Say, for example, if you're very keen in PHP, there are some PHP certification courses in LinkedIn, or many other Udemy courses are available. If in case you going to take that as a career path, then probably it's just an added advantage in your resume. So, like, whatever it is, we need to equip yourself to make sure that you are claiming in that particular range, right? And I guess Pooja has raised her hand. Yes, go ahead, Pooja. Like, what kind of a question that you have? Pooja? Pooja Sri, you can unmute yourself and.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, hi, Pooja. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing good, dear. Thank you so much. Okay, I got to know that you raised your hand. Like, could you just tell me what kind of a query that you have?
Nothing, ma'am.
I'm sorry?
No, ma'am. Nothing.
Okay, now tell me, like, as you told, as you have gone through the SMART goal, like, what is your, I mean, like, what is your life ambition?
I was interested to know about computer, ma'am, and my goal is to work in IT jobs.
Okay, that's what. As I advised earlier, make sure what kind of a domain that you're interested. Go for it. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
and thank you so much, dear. And how about Kirtana? Kirtana? Hey, hi.
Hi, ma'am.
How about you?
I want to become a software developer, ma'am.
That's good. Okay, and again, the same question to you. What kind of a domain are you interested? Okay, see, as I told, I mean, like, since you are a fresher, I guess it's an orientation session. Make sure whatever the domain, like, after once you complete your 3 years of degree courses, make sure which suits you, or rather, which find easy or adaptable for your situation. Make sure learn more and grow more. That's what. All right. Good luck, dear. Okay, let's continue this session. I'm just putting across the video from my side, right?
Yes.
Just a moment, girls. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, what is your thought process after seeing this video?
Ma'am,
Yes, who's that? Shakti, I guess.
yeah.
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
I think we have to fight to achieve a goal.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay,
other
I'm just sharing that YouTube link in the chat box. Just listen to it, or rather, whenever you free, go ahead and check that. Then probably whatever comes across to your thought process, that add value to that. All right? Can I get an S?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
That's good. Okay, let's continue with the presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Okay. Yes, as I told you, like as the other 5 points, like we have, like we need to come out from our own comfort zone, and we need to have a reference point. I mean, what I was trying to make sure that to have a reference point is that, like, whatever the video that you are looking at, just have a small portion into it, dig that deep into it, and think up across to that. Then probably you will come to have a great thought process of what is there in the mindset of that particular speaker or whatever it's. To the same kind of a thought process, I have another video wherein which you would love it, I guess. Let's see. Just a moment, girls. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, here you go. hope you like it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have shared that link also in the chat box. Just make sure you have this copy in your hand, rather, whatever, however you take it, across. Or rather, if you need to know more about it, yes, I'm always here to support you or guide you. All right, and I'm reachable in my LinkedIn, and I'll give you my LinkedIn ID also. If in case you wanted to have a support from my end, I'm readily available. All right. Just a moment. I'm just passing across my LinkedIn ID. I guess everybody are a fresher. So once everybody, after completing your course, you will be having a thought process. Where will I get placed? Or where I'll get a great job? So I wanted to tell you, equip yourself so that you will have a great life ahead. Right? Can I get an S?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Okay. I wanted to have another more interaction session. Can I have Vaishnavi on your screen? Hey, Vaishnavi, you there? Are you available? Okay, nevertheless, how about Tejasri? I'm just choosing up randomly. I don't know who are you, or like, I'm not pretty sure on that. How about
Good
Tejasri?
morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear. All right. Now, what is the thought process that you have got after seeing all these two videos that I played?
We want to believe in ourselves and succeed.
That's good. That's good. Okay. Now, could you just tell me what is a kind of a goal that you have in your life? You got my point? Could you just tell me, Tejasri, what is a kind of a goal that you have in your life?
Ma'am?
Could you just tell me what is a goal that you have in your life?
Sorry, ma'am, I can't understand.
What is it the goal that you wanted to achieve in your life? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I said told you, like, we were looking for like we had a presentation called Smart Goals, right? I
Yes.
just wanted to know what is the kind of a goal that you have.
In IT job, I want.
Okay, so you wanted to have an IT job, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. That's good. Okay, how about Mr. Atiyappan? Oh,
Ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Morning.
Very good morning. Your good name, please. I could see
Akshaya.
Akshaya. All right. No, it's a suggestion from my end here. Have your own name in your Google Meet so that people will not get confused.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now tell me, what is the thought process that you have after seeing those two videos?
Believe in myself, ma'am.
That's good. That's good. Okay. And what is the other thought process that you have?
And success in my life.
Sorry?
Success.
Okay. So you're going to succeed in your life.
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. That's great. All right. I could see Lima shared raised her hand. Sorry, Lakshmi. Lakshmi? I can see that you have raised your hand. Could you just come on screen? Are you there? Okay, not a problem. And how about Miss Vaseline V channel? I'm not sure. Am I spelling up right? Hey, hi.
Hi, ma'am.
How are
Ma'am,
you?
that's not my name. It was default. I want to change my name. My name is Vaishali.
Vaishali. So that's an again a thought process to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Wherever you are, try to have your own name in your meet so that people will know you, or rather you can understand who you are, right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
I
it's
will
just a
change.
thought process. So make sure in the future, do change your name so that it's a common group, right? It's a college group, so obviously they might have their own attendance processes or whatever it is. So they need to know who are there or who are left or whatever. So make sure you are making sure that you are having a great name in your
Yes, ma'am.
tagline. All right, now tell me, Vaishali, what is a thought process that you have got in your link?
Ma'am, I chose BCA because I want to know more about computer.
Mm-hmm.
About
Can you
more
come in?
and
I'm sorry. Can you just come on video?
no, ma'am. No, only current went. That's why it's so dark.
Never mind. Okay, proceed.
Yes, ma'am. Now that's why. If as you showed in the video, there may be many ups and downs in our life. There may be many obstacles for achieving our life, anything which we want. So in that we have to believe ourselves and go straight. What thought we have made, what goal we are making, we have to go straight according that and work hard and achieve it. That's thing.
That's awesome. That's awesome, Vaishali. That's an awesome thought.
Thank you,
now
ma'am.
what is your goal that you want to achieve?
Ma'am, I want to make a software, creating a software, and I have many goals. Like I want to make animation, 3D animation. I want to learn more about 3D animation, web software. Then many like that.
That's great. Okay, I can give you a thought process from my end. See, the animation industry is grooming like anything now. Okay, so when you start learning about animation factors, learn more, and there are a lot more to learn. One, groom yourself in whatever that you learn, and equip yourself in lots and lots of certifications so that your resume will be a great look, and you will get places. I mean, like you will move to places and places. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Good luck, Vaishali.
Thank
Okay.
you.
How about Mitra? Mitra, are you line? Mitra Amrita, I guess. She is there. Okay, how about then Pavitra? I could see on and off video, Pavitra. Come on. Hey, hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me, how about you? Like, what is your thought process after seeing this video and your goals?
Till we get success, we can try, ma'am.
That's a good option. That's a good one. Next.
If we fail once, we can't stop trying.
Okay, say, can you give an example, like if in case you would have start cycling. I mean, like initial period, you will have setbacks when you learn cycling, and then you would have not stopped, right? So you would have learned more, and you have practiced more, and now you have a great cycler. Rather, everybody will be having the same own thought process, right? So that's life. Whatever it is, we have to learn more and more, and the success will be there right away in front of us. That's about. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. And thank you for this, Pavitra. And how about Keertana? Can you come online? Hi. Okay, now tell me about you. I guess we had an interaction.
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Okay, nevertheless. Okay, how about then Priyanka? I guess 2 Priyankas are available. Is that you, Priyanka?
Yeah, it's me, ma'am.
Right now, can you go and tell your views?
My views.
Because you
So
are the
yeah,
moderator, so obviously you need to give your own inputs to your kids, right?
exactly, ma'am. So
Yes,
actually,
please.
this is how life goes. We'll be having ups and downs, but we have to keep moving forward. We should not be disappointed. We have to know how to face the failures. Actually, failures will teach more than success. I think that's main. It'll give you a push. So I think you have to learn from your failures and try working forward. Just do kind of like you have to believe that it's going to happen, manifestations and all. So that is the
That's
real
perfect.
success of yeah, that's the real key of success, I think.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay. Thanks a lot, Priyanka, for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. How about Sweta Shekhar? Sweta? Is she online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Hi. Can everybody see you? Or rather, can I see you? That's good. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm doing good, dear. Thank you so much. Okay, now tell me, what is your thought process after seeing those 2 videos?
We
Don't be
can see
shy.
that
Don't be shy. Come on, speak out. Nobody is
we
going to
can see
question
many
you.
failures in our life, but we don't give up and we must believe in ourselves.
That's good. That's good. Okay, now, can I have your goal setting in your life? What is it that you wanted to become?
I'm interested in computer, ma'am, so I am going to an IT field.
That's good. That's good. So again, the same advice goes to you also. Make sure what kind of a domain that you wanted to go with. Equip yourself and go ahead. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Good luck, dear. Okay. How about Sneha Parthasarthi? Can I have you on screen? Sneha? Are you there? No. Okay. How about Ritika then? I'm just choosing randomly. How about Ritika? Okay. If not, any volunteers in this bunch? Any volunteers from this bunch? I'll just go again. 5, 4, 3.
Hi,
Wait.
ma'am.
Hi, Monisha. Right?
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, doing good, dear. How about you?
Fine, ma'am.
That's great. Okay, now what is your thought process after seeing those 2 videos?
Whatever struggles which we feel in our daily lives, it will be there, ma'am. But we should believe in ourselves and move forward, ma'am.
That's perfect, dear. Awesome. Applause to you. That's good.
Thank you.
Okay, now what is your goal in your life?
Not about a particular goal, ma'am. Since childhood, I wanted to achieve something or other in computer, ma'am. So I have chosen BCA.
That's perfect. That's perfect. So make sure you equip
you.
yourself again, grow further.
Thank you
And
so much.
we're all here to support you later after once you graduated.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Fine. Any more volunteers?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shakti Priya. Can I see you, dear? Yeah, that's good. All right, tell me about yourself.
Ma'am?
Tell me about you, dear. What kind of a goal that you wanted to have?
Ma'am, I want to be in computer field, like a graphic designer, web developer. I want to be in computer field. That's my goal.
Perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay, and now what is your thought process after seeing these two videos?
Life is full of up and down. Must we believe in ourselves to achieve that thought process.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay, to be very frank with you, I was not speaking this much in public actually. It was my mentors, they grouped myself, and I have come across from my own comfort zone, and I'm here right away. Rather, these many years, I was not in that much having a great forum to have a public speaking module. But again, I wanted to give my own thought process to girls like you all, and rather to everybody. And this is my say fifth or sixth session in this pandemic. So I wanted to give whatever the thought process that I wanted to. So I'm ready to help you guys. If in case you wanted to have any more sessions from my end, do let me know. Right? Okay. I mean, that's about it. Like I have done with my presentation, and this is my number. You can reach me out. I'm just testing across, and I'm emailing my details across to you also. If in case you wanted to get in touch with me, kindly get in touch with me. Right? Any other questions from your side, girls?
No, ma'am.
No other questions. Okay, then I mean, like I close across to it. Like I've done with my presentation. If in case you wanted to have any questions, do let me know, or else we will close up this session.
Girls, any queries? You can unmute and ask.
I guess it's quite a long. Much early I'm logging off, but again, since I didn't get any proper response, I felt I don't want to continue it. Okay, how about Bhanupriya? Can you just come out? I could see Bhanupriya in line.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, hi.
Hi,
Good.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. You?
Yeah, thank you so much, dear. Okay, now tell me, what is your thought process?
I'm become a IT field and I have to improve my computer knowledge, ma'am.
All right. Good luck, dear. Any more else? Priyanka, I guess so. Let's close up this session, dear.
Sure, ma'am.
Any closing comments?
So yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for spending your valuable time with us. It was highly motivational. Seriously, I think the girls would have got benefited with it. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, girls. And I guess I have given my contact. Let me know if in case you need any other support from my end. I'm readily available.
Girls, can you take down it?
Yes,
take
ma'am.
down, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I guess everybody would have taken it across. I'm readily available anytime. You can call me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good luck, girls.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, girls.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Girls, it's not yet over. Please don't leave the meet. I think many girls are leaving. Why is it so? Please stay on the same. You have to fill the feedback form. I'll be forwarding it to you. Please don't leave the meet.
Yeah, Priyanka, can I get those forms from my for my own query?
Ma'am, sorry ma'am, I didn't get you.
No, you were telling across some feedback forms, right?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
It is about today's session or like
Yeah, about today's session ma'am for students.
perfect. Can I get the copy of that so that I can
Sure.
equip myself?
Sure ma'am, sure.
That's great. Okay. Thanks, girls. Cheers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Girls, fill this feedback form, only then you'll be getting your attendance for today. Your attendance started from yesterday itself. Okay? Kindly fill the feedback link I've given there in the chat box. And please do respond. If something is asked, kindly respond, interact with ma'am. Please don't be idle, okay? This is an humble request. Only if you respond, you can get some nice viewpoints from ma'am. Only if you interact, only if you ask, she'll be sharing her experiences and she'll be sharing her own thoughts on the topic. So please do interact. Is it clear? Can you hear me, girls?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.